Hi guys, welcome. My name is Sekani, and today we're just going to talk about something really interesting. So, let's say you already have content. Let's say you want to share something over the internet, but you haven't. You haven't for over 3 months. You haven't for over 6 months. In fact, you wanted to do it last year, but you did not. And now it's 2020, and you're still thinking, "Oh, when will I ever have what it takes to put something up on the internet?" So, first of all, let's deal with what this video is all about. First thing that makes it hard for people to eventually come out with their content is the setup. Okay, so you look at videos online, a lot of really great videos, and you think, man, how will I ever get to this standard? The lighting, camera crew, everybody that helps out in putting the video together. And man, it's just you and maybe a friend, no camera, nothing. That's always like very discouraging because when you eventually just try to pick up your phone and make a video, what you see and in comparison to what is online is always like worlds apart. So you just prefer to go ahead and face your regular 9 to 5 job instead of thinking of how to make your video. So that's one. Number two, confidence and delivery. So you always get to think, man, okay, I know what I want to say, but how do I say it? Like, how do I pass across this message such that people can relate, such that it's not so boring, such that they can feel my energy? Like, you get what I mean. So that's another thing people struggle with, and they think about, I really don't know how to talk on camera. Well, nobody's born with how to talk on camera. Some people just learn how to talk on camera. So yeah, that's it. And then finally, I'll be talking about what people think or what people will think. Okay, so someone drew this for me, and I'm just going to talk about it. Just imagine a graph. So a graph has x-axis and the y-axis. So let's say the x-axis is talking about how people think about you and how much you care that people think about you, and the y-axis uh, no, the y-axis is the vertical axis and the x-axis is the horizontal axis. Sorry, I've been doing sales, so I've not really been into graphs. Okay, yeah, that's it. So let's say the y-axis is about how much you care about what people say, and the x-axis is about how old you are. So here at the beginning, at the beginning here, zero age, zero care. When we're children, you find out that you really don't care what people say. But as you grow, you begin to care. Like, the more you grow older, the more you care what people say. And at the peak of like your youth, you're at that point where you just care too much about what people have to say, and then eventually it comes down again. Older people have issues with being too blunt because really they don't care, man. They are old already, and this guy is young already. But here you are thinking, and that's called the triangle of misery, triangle of whatever. But really, I think that's another issue that a lot of people deal with. They just think about what people think about when they see my video and all of this stuff, man. That's a lot getting by, really. So how do you deal with all of these things? Okay, let's assume you already have your content. Let's assume you already know what you want to say. So how do you deal with the first thing? That's about the setup. Okay, so first thing you need to know, you don't start at your destination. You grow or you make a journey to your destination, but you have to start where you are. So I saw a video TD Jakes made to Oprah on her 30th anniversary on screen, and I saw all the places she had been, what she used to look like before she was the Oprah we knew. And man, it just dawned on me that everybody had a journey. Everybody has a journey, and you have to stay true to your journey. Jeez, man. You have to stay true to your journey. See, this is part of my journey. I'm making a video now I really just don't care. Come on. So you have to stay true to your journey. You have to start from somewhere and get to where you want to get to. Okay, so always keep that image in mind first, but start from somewhere. So if you don't have a full setup, do what you can do. Use your mobile phone. Well, in my previous videos, I've used camera setups, light setups, and all of those things. But if you always wait for when the setup is always right, then you might never get to do everything you want to do. So build your brand, build your capacity to that point where your videos are top notch, but you have to start from somewhere. Okay, now then, secondly, how do you deal with the confidence issue and delivery? Okay, so you have to study your content and know the best form of delivery to get it out there. So for example, I could be funny in real life, but I'm not a comedian. So when it comes to screen time, I really don't know how to make you laugh. I just try to be myself, especially on YouTube. So, man, this is just me. So I just say the things I really need to say and I say them. That's all. Some people prefer to use comedy, some prefer to use stories, different things. Just make sure you're passing the message and you are relating to the emotion that you want to relate to. Okay, so study your content and practice screen time. So you make videos of yourself. People just look at you crazy, like, why are you making videos of yourself? I mean, everybody's not the same. I don't care if you look at me that way, but I'm practicing my screen time so that whenever I need to be on camera, I don't have to get all nervous and start sweating and all of those things. And then for the third one, which I really like, what people think about you. We're in a generation where, everybody has an opinion, and it has always been like that from time immemorial. So that's the point where you just don't care. I don't know how to explain that, but really you get to a point in your life where you understand that we are all individuals and then we have individual lives to live. And so whatever I decide to do with my own life, as long as it is in the brackets and it is in the confines of reason, then I'm entitled to it. Okay, a lot of people have different complexes and they have believed so many things that make them uncomfortable about what people will think. But really, if you look at all the great people that you see around, they always got to that point where they decided to do what they wanted to do, irrespective of what people thought about them. So, man, welcome to the journey, man. So, I think that's my 2 cents, if you ask me. So, stay tuned. Thank you for watching till this point. Click on the subscribe button if this is your first time. Like my video because I like you. That's why I made the video. And please drop a comment. Tell me something you think why people don't put out their content and how to get over it. So guys, it's the tribe. Bye.